Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Charge Action in Warhammer Underworlds. And to do this, for example, I'll be activating this dog and he'll be charging this guy right here. So first we need to go to that rule, and it allows you to make two actions, which is called super actions, in one activation. So we activate our dog and then we can move on the number that is visible right here and then attack right after moving, and you can see the attack dice right here. So you just roll and see if it damaged that enemy. You can also make defense rolls. I covered that in the combat sequence. If you're interested, be sure to check it out. And after you've made that action, next is to place the charge token on your model, and for the rest of that round he won't be able to activate, so that means he just stays here waiting for the next round. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.